Hello everyone, welcome to the NPTEL MOOCs course on Biointerface Engineering. I am Dr. Lalit Pandey, Associate Professor, Department of Biosciences and Bioengineering, Indian Institute of Technology, Guwahati. So, first we will see what is biointerface. So, biointerface, as the word suggests, it is made of two words, one is bio, other is the interface. So, bio comes from the body fluids, which mainly consists of water molecules, macromolecules like proteins and the cells, and the interface comes from the biomaterials, or you can say from the surface. So, whenever there is a interaction between this biomaterial and biological fluid, the biointerfacial interactions takes place. Another example may be your biomaterials and the pathogens like bacteria, and the interaction of these two leads to the formation of biofilm. So, in the biointerfacial interactions, it goes into multiple steps. The first one is intermolecular interactions, which involves various intermolecular forces, and depending on the intermolecular interactions, the first thing takes place is the protein surface interaction, which decides the amount of adsorbed protein as well as the conformation of adsorbed protein, followed by the cell surface interaction take place. So, this is one example of the biointerfacial interactions. Now, what is the biointerfacial engineering? In case of biointerfacial engineering, the first thing we need to know about the material properties. So, we will start with what is its intended functions, what is its chemical properties like composition, physical property like its structure and morphology. And after this we can go for the engineering to tune the biointerfacial interactions. The first approach is to use the engineered biomaterials, engineered metallic, ceramic or polymeric biomaterials, and second approach is to go for the surface modification. So, different physical, chemical and biological methods are used for the surface modification, and finally, the intended applications include the implants, bone and dental implants, tissue engineering, drug delivery and the biosensors. This biointerface can be characterized at nano level, micro level and macro level. For nano level, we use atomic force microscopy to analyze the molecules. At micro level, we use the laboratory microscopy to analyze the cells, and at macro level, we use the simple spectroscopy, or you can visually see the at the tissue level. So, the aim of this course biointerface engineering is to create surface chemical way of thinking when we consider any biomedical approaches, any biomedical products or any biomedical applications. So, in this course first we will see surface and surface chemistry and how it interacts with the biomacromolecules. We will see the role of interfacial phenomena towards the behavior of biomacromolecules on the surfaces. So, the first part we will see the physical chemistry of surfaces and interface and common experimental methods for the surface characterization. And in the second phase, we will see the interactions of biological systems with surfaces and the modification of surfaces and interaction with the modified surfaces. So, this course will run for 8 weeks. The first week we will see the intermolecular forces, what are different intermolecular forces, what are the types of different forces and how it will be useful for the biointerfacial interactions. In the second week, we will see adhesion and wetting phenomena of any liquid on a solid surface, how it adheres and wets a solid surface. In the third week, we will see how experimentally we characterize the interfaces. Fourth week, we will be seeing protein surface interactions, particularly in terms of amount of adsorbed proteins, its conformation of the adsorbed proteins. In the fifth week, we will see the protein aggregation, particularly the effect of surface on protein aggregation. In the sixth week, we will see the cell surface interactions. In the seventh and eighth week, we will study the surface modifications and how to characterize the modified surfaces and how it affects the biointerfacial interactions. So, these are the text or references which will be useful for this particular course. So, first one is intermolecular and surface forces, colloids and interface in life sciences and bio nanotechnology, physical chemistry of surfaces, introduction to soft matter, surface chemistry in biomedical and environmental sciences, and this is edited book Biointerface Engineering Prospects in Medical Diagnostics and Drug Delivery. This is edited by myself. So, which discusses or includes few application of biointerface engineering in drug delivery as well as diagnostic. Thank you. I hope this course will be useful to all of you, and all the best. Thank you.